Xvive sent over this Xvive PX system for me to check out. So what is it? At its most basic, it's a wired in-ear monitor belt pack. It is wired, so no RF issues to be concerned with. What it does bring to the table in added features is it has 3 XLR line inputs. And each input has its own level control. Plus, there's a master level control. Inside the battery compartment are switches for each input. They can be either hard left, hard right, or center panned. That means you could receive a line level stereo mix and still have a separate input for a click track or tracks themselves. Or 3 mono and separate line level inputs. The belt pack uses an Ethercon style connector to connect to a passive dongle. Xvive includes a 25-foot Ethernet cable with Ethercon style connectors in the package. And then there's the dongle. It has 3 XLRs on one side and the Ethercon style connector on the other side. This connects either to the mixing console or to the snake cable and then to your mixing console through the snake cable. There's also a 4th connector on here, and that is for power over Ethernet if you add a power adapter. Otherwise, the belt pack needs 2 AAA batteries to operate. So, who is this for? I see it as a popular option for drummers, for one thing. When the song hits and someone is turned up or a track or click is too loud or not loud enough, you can grab a knob mid-beat and change the level quickly. Or if you're a singing drummer, you can have your vocal coming back to you as its own input and quickly grab a knob to rebalance your vocal on the fly. With an iPad or tablet for control, that is going to be harder to do in song, and especially for someone like the drummer. I can also see, though, a soloist or a duo each using one of these, and for the same reasons. For a musician, it's simply easier to grab a knob when you're already playing a song. If you're using a mixer that doesn't have balanced outputs, then this system includes tip sleeve 1/4 inch to XLR adapters. Something to be aware of, your console needs to have the extra outputs to feed the belt pack. These are available at Sweetwater, and I'll leave links below for more information. Here are some other videos you might want to check out. Leave any comments or questions below. Likes and subscribes always appreciated, and I will see you next time.